Slime RNG. Last time I played this, I got like this guy, lucky. It was not even out of a roll, it was out of a lucky spin. So I'm changing that. Super love. Friendly love. Yo. Ain't no way. Shiny slimes or ultra golden rolls? So what? Yo! Right? Okay, alright? Oh, come on. Got a currency plus index. Dude, my literally best one is me. Luck! Attack, my fella. Beaver? Huh? I just saw a big slime. Another leafy. Oh my god, this is good. Axolotl, Mushy, another Axolotl, Lucky, and Spidey. Wow, I got riches. Go. 2 times. Not gonna be good. Dude, it's literally worse. I got a big late fight. Yo, what? That is so funny. How did I get a big slime? I expected to be like something like even no, a big slimy of leafy. Oh, I just wait, hold up. I just saw a big Squirtle. Check the index right. This is a big Goofy. That's good. That was like 15,000. What's the best by base? No, I also sent that score sheet. Go again. Bonus? Another bonus? Come on. Really, dude? I'm going to another. Yo, I just bought a new land, and then I instantly got 6 times and I was like, whoa! And then nothing. Yeah, literally, I love those ultra logbooks and currency. I'll do currency first. Yeah, I got some of that. Come on, meow! Meow, dude. Oh, come on, Ben. I think I'm going even better on a one-time slot. Oh, I got a spray out of a bonus, not even a roll. Yeah. That's even worse. Even better. That's even better. That's even worse. I need 2 more. It's my luck, I can upgrade something. I can get a tattoo. Yeah, I don't got enough Robux, dude. Here's the taco. Bullet roll. Me and freaking slime. Not as good as my 21,000 lucky that just I don't know. Check my back. Oh, it's actually better. I could quit. And yeah. Oh, good. How do I get like 5 times luck and I get a goopy? 5 times base luck. What is spamming right now, dude? I just saw him. I'm not even kidding. I just saw this guy out of a roll. He seems super rare. Why are you giving me the worst luck? I should have bought Jerome from Target, Walmart, or even 7-Eleven, dude. I don't even know that. Now, not gonna lie, if I actually bought Jerome, would it make my luck better? No, actually don't. Oh my. Big enemies? But that's 750,000 big enemies. I'm doing big enemies. It's a big one. It's a big enemy. Woo! Got it, dude. Got cheese. Cheese. Nice. Give it to my. Rally, okay. What a buggy. Golden roll. Golden roll. Golden roll. Golden roll. Did not be anything bad. I swear you, I could have got something better than that without going the roll. Ooh, I got an actual olive. Not bad. This is bad. It's in the thousands. Which one the worst I am? 464, dude. My worst slime is actually buggy, not even goopy. Because you know why? In the last video of Slime RNG, I got 2 times luck, 4 times luck, 8 times luck, 16 times luck, 32 times luck, and even 64 times luck. But I got buggy. Yeah. He's my worst slime ever, surpassing Goopy. Oh my god, the chat's spamming, dude. And I got buggy. I want you to get out of here and go to other slime games. Just please. There's no way. Dude, there is no way. No way I could shoot a slime. Get out. Dude, there's actually no way. Yo! Get out. I'm gonna go get an egg and cheese. Either those do like almost nothing. Am I? Ooh, could change that. Leafy! Gonna be out. It's like that. It's gonna get like crazy. I'm only Algeria, Imani, and I am Andorra. Gola here, Antigua and Barbuda. Sorry, what's I saying? I mean, was that recording? Oh, okay. Okay, what's the closest one? Let's rapid fire. Markets on. Gun rate 1. Teleporter. What's the 3? Dynamo 2. Diamond rolls. 20 mil. So far, I have 251 rolls. Rock. Give me a second. That bonus thing. Golden roll. Shoot! There's a big one! Roots. You know what? That's not that bad. A big roll. I'm in a million. There's 2 loots and 1 player. Let's see that bad from here. Let's go first. Lost the tank. Yo! I just probably spent like $1 million a waste of time. What can I find in the loot menu? Oh, I couldn't find point equal 2 or ultra luck boost. Come on. Who's that? Tankorak? No way, everybody's far ahead. I would just like still. How am I at the top? Oh, dude, there's actually no way. It goes backwards. I don't understand the leaderboard goes backwards. Tankorak is the worst player. Mokang is the best with 42 quadrillion best rolls and 213,000 rolls. Wow. And let me check my backpack. Oh, back. Big Lou, you're on my team. He's so massive, dude. He really decides. He's almost touching my hand. He is touching it with his little gloating. Warning, 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 warning. There's a lot of things happening. There's a lot. Hey, this guy. Dog boy shot. Oh my. Look what he got. I got Pawnee. I usually feel you got too lucky. Stop and take. I swear, if this guy is like 9 to 12, I cannot even chat with him because of the horrible Roblox update. I don't even know what I'm playing right now. Okay, I can upgrade. I can get ultra luck boost. And I can upgrade. Damn, I don't listen to this guy. Ultra luck boost! Yo! You gotta usually even that's not my problem. That is not my problem. Really, it's not my problem. Not gonna be that good anyways. Every roll with a cutscene, you do not want to trust it. You can get to like 719, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, 19,000. If it gets anything in like the 15,000 above, I was gonna be like, ooh, that's not bad. Yeah, but right now I got horrible luck. And my best friend is really lucky. Hey, get out! You see, don't trust the rules for the cutscene. Sometimes I know people are like, oh my gosh, I got something good. But at the end of the roll, 1 in 700, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, and 15,000. Mushroom. I didn't even realize I got a mushroom. I'm gonna save up and get a kale for it. Yeah, it is. Okay. Hey, warning. Oh, come on. I was about to get this block. It's like buggy realness. Gotta be on a milli. Woo! I come by friendly lock 3. What does that mean? I'm not gonna save up. Alright, after we reach this cave, I'm gonna end the video because I think my video is like already 10 minutes long. How long what? How long? Get away from me, creeper. This just attacked by my mochi, dude. Stay away. You too. Where'd you come from? Over there. Don't come near us. Attacking. Get out of here! Why is the big list Oh my god, okay. Hey, you. Get over here. Hey, what are you doing over here? You also. Hey. Why? I don't even understand. Inside this building, right? We get the principal. And you are going to get out of here unless you don't know where you are. And this, it's been like, is it 10 minutes? I can't tell. Yeah, getting nothing. So, we end the video now. I'm getting way too far. But let's end it. Let me there. Oh. Wait, never mind. That's not the perfect place. Alright. The moment you are free to play. I'm not gonna end the video yet, but I'm going to end up somewhere random. And it's like buggy again. We're going in this chest. 3, 2, 1, go! Where am I? I know I just faked it to just make a chest or something, but where am I? This is awesome. I don't know where am I, but if it's for the video, I will do it. If you want to continue this audio, to end up where I am.